Okay, here we are. I just let this thing set for 2 days, so I'm pretty excited. So. Pretty good. There's only one thing that I can really see. Looks like it might not have had really completely even pressure right here. Let's see if the base stuck to the bottom. I hope it worked. Looks good. Looks darn good. So, it looks like the board laminated pretty well to the base. I don't see any bumps or anything. There's just going to be some sanding to do once we get the top sheet on. But the next step, I'm just going to take the belt sander and some light sandpaper. I have 120 grit. If you had some 220, it probably works fine too. But I just want to get all this rough stuff off, all the pencil mark, and then we'll be ready to start putting on the top sheet. So I want to do a design on the top of this top sheet. So I've got a couple things to help me with this. I've got an old Hawaiian t-shirt that I think is awesome. I've got paper, scissors, and a wood burner. I'm going to start off by making patterns of the tip and tail of my board, because that's where I want to put some of that fabric. And I would do that by taking a piece of paper, laying it on the board, and then just using any hard object. I have a butter knife to help me make the pattern. So we got these pieces of paper traced out to the pattern I want. I'm going to do the nose, the tail, and Ellen traced it on there with a Sharpie, and she's just using the wood burner to cut the fabric out. It works really good. So we quickly realized that the points on the wood burner could be changed out to a razor blade, and as you can see, it worked a lot better. So here I just wanted to use the wood burner to draw a simple design onto the board. So we made a little stencil out of some paper and then traced it on with a pencil. So after adding some cool designs, the board was ready for the top sheet, which was just another layer of fiberglass and more epoxy. Alright, so last step, just have to pour this on, wet out the fiberglass, and put it in the press. This is probably one of the most fun parts of the process. It's pretty cool to see the fiberglass go from opaque to completely clear as you put the epoxy on. So after completing the last coat of glass,
We actually recovered it with a sheet of plastic and lots of weight. I wanted to put it in the press for a little bit longer. And here's the finished product before I got to cut it out and really tune up the edges.